Hi children, this is the maths activity for Thursday the 14th of May. Mental maths, you've got your time, your self-test, test 4. I'm wondering how you're getting on with your time that takes you to get to the end of the 10th question. If you can do it around the 2-minute mark or under 2 minutes, you must be doing fantastic. And if you're getting them 100% right, 10 out of 10, that's even better. So this is about speed and efficiency. Okay, so if you're looking at numbers, look carefully at the digits. So if you're looking at 80 away from 7,143, you've got to say to yourself, well, what digits will they affect and which ones won't? Will the 7,000 remain as 7,000? Will the 100 be a 100? The 40 and the 3, which one will stay the same? Remember, it's taken away 8, 0. Okay, good luck there. Then we're going to use times tables facts to find division facts in the 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're just looking at the inverse of this sum. 35 divided by 7. Knowing your 7 times table is vital. What would you times with 7 to get to 35? You just have to quickly recall your skills. And the answer is obviously 5. So there's 5 lots of 7s in 35, or 7 lots of 5s in 35. 5 times 7 is 35. 36 divided by 6. I'm sure you know that one. Okay, after the mental maths, we're going to look at the recognised symmetrical patterns. So explain what a line of symmetry is. Reflect patterns on a horizontal, vertical and diagonal symmetry line. And draw a reflection of pattern in mirror line. Okay, you're going to explore on the learning reminders on completing a symmetrical pattern about one line of symmetry. Practice sheets give opportunity for you to explore this concept. So, here are some PowerPoint slides on the big maths. So we recognise a line of symmetry even when it does not dissect the shape. So look for where the line of symmetry must be, and be ready to explain how you know. So if you look at these, where would the line of symmetry be? Would it be down here? Would it be above? Or be somewhere in the middle? And there you go. There's the line of symmetry. So if you fold that over the line of symmetry, that will meet that shape exactly. Same with this one. This trapezium. Where would the line of symmetry be? Take through. There you go. And then we got a right angled triangle here. If we had the line of symmetry somewhere here, and that's B, there's B, A, A. So where would the line of symmetry be? And where would the vertex C be? And that's what you've got to try and do. So if you can draw it on this grid, it would be fantastic. And then the learning reminders, looking at shapes on one side of the line of symmetry. Only one half of each pattern is drawn. We are going to draw the other half, so that is entirely symmetrical. So if you want to shade in where these shapes are, that'll be done. That is reflection there. Would I do any more? I'd have to go in. So that one is there. And then that one is down there. There you go. And then do the same for this pattern above the line of symmetry. See what you can do there. Okay. And then complete. This is incomplete. So you can see the shape here. This is incomplete. If you can do some more there. Where would be a good place to start? Those 2 at the top and 3 away from the symmetry line. 1, 2, 3. So that pattern is exactly the same as that. Okay. So see what you can do. See how each coloured square needs to be the same distance either side of the line of symmetry. So if you look at this one, this is 1, 2, 3 away from the line of symmetry. So this one, it's reflection. 1, 2, 3 there. Okay, and then you've got some practice sheets. You've got the mild. You've either got vertical lines of symmetry horizontal lines of symmetry, and then one where it's vertical and horizontal. Then the hot sheet, it gets a little bit more complicated. You've got vertical and horizontal, and then you've got diagonal, which is more difficult. Left to right, right to left, and this one is even more complicated. See how you get on. Good luck there. And if you're a little bit stuck, you can ask a partner to colour in the square anywhere on this grid. So if I shade in this there, where would it be if this is the line of symmetry? Where would it be on the other side? Would it be there? Would it be there? Or would it be there? It's on the right line, but how far away from the line of symmetry is it? 1 square, 2 squares, third square. Okay. Now you're going to check your questions. Shade 4 more spaces on this grid to create a pattern with 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry. It must be down there and must be across there. So by just shading one cell on a 3x3 square grid, which we'll use on the next page, how many different symmetrical patterns can you make? Be careful not to count reflections or rotations of patterns already made. So this is a good investigation on symmetry. Okay, and then there is an extension sheet where you've got squared paper. You can do these shapes and do their reflection. Use a mirror to check your answers. Okay, good luck there.